Are you tired of constantly losing focus and finding yourself drawn to distractions? Your mind is just like your body, and if you're having trouble focusing, it's time to give it the exercise it needs to get in shape. To improve your focus, all you need to do is follow 2 simple steps. Step 1. Exercise your mind. To increase your mental strength, you need to do tasks that require a lot of focus and mental energy, such as reading, studying, writing, or practicing a new skill. Pick a task that you struggle to focus on and use it to train your mind. Start by timing yourself and seeing how long you can focus before getting distracted. This is your current focus strength level. Now, set aside a block of time every day for your focus training. Aim to do 5 sets of this task, gradually increasing the time you spend on it. For example, if you can currently focus for 5 minutes, try to focus for 5 minutes and 30 seconds the next day. And don't forget to take breaks in between sets, just like you would at the gym. With consistent training, you should see a gradual increase in your focus strength level. To make it even more challenging and engaging, change up your exercises from time to time.
Step 2. Fix your diet. We consume not just food with our bodies, but also content with our minds. Just like junk food can harm our physical health, social media and other short-form content can be the junk food of the mental world, shrinking our attention span to mere seconds. To fix this, try to limit your consumption of junk content and instead feed your mind with longer-form content that requires more focus and mental energy.
Remember, the best way to train your focus muscles is by building a habit that does it for you. Find an activity that you enjoy and do it regularly, such as writing or solving problems. With a combination of mind exercise and a healthy diet of content, you'll be well on your way to improving your focus and reaching your goals.